Hello guys, how to download Dell 15 driver. So first guys, you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official site, so you can download driver software what you want to support and you can see. So first www.dell.com, after that you can see click on support and driver and download. Click on it. You enter the your serial number, okay, service tag, otherwise you enter model number Dell 15, okay, and which one DC15 you have check it, and all driver download and installations process same. Then select, you can see, slow down now so there are two options, so you can install automatically when check which driver you have your system required, you can detect and install it. Otherwise, if you are install manually and if you are facing issues and need to install manually, so you just select the driver. Okay, this is all driver, but you click on categorize, okay, and then you can see that select the operating system Windows 11, okay, and then close it. Audio, this is so confusing. One, all driver, slow down, you can see extract security, this is fingerprint sensor driver, and download. It is start downloading and it is completing. One download in progress completed, then single click to open. Yes for the installations. So this is extract to your drive and you can install directly. Just click on install. So you can see fingerprint sensor complete, driver complete, and then close it.